make them roll. Yeah, that's how you do it. Roll it. Don't put it in your mouth. Go to birdie.
Yikes! You guys are getting close to me. Ah!
They knew from the first cracker that was thrown what was going on.
Absolutely, you've seasoned them. It's probably the same birds year after year. Wouldn't it be funny?
I don't even want to go there.
No.
More? Okay.
I want some more too.
Say please. The bird man. Whoa.
Right behind me?
Yeah, one scoop down right behind you. Oh, look at them all like laying there around us. Saying, please feed me, feed me. Aren't they silly?
Yeah.
Here's Sally. Hold on.
Johnny, do you do everything Tyler does?
What do you think?
He does everything Tyler does. Oh, you're not you're fearless. Here, birdie, birdie, birdie.
You saw that, Dad? Lost it. Dad.